Changing your subscription plan on Shippo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily update your plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Shippo website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the subscription you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select subscription plan. In the account settings menu, look for the subscription or billing section. Click on it to view your current plan and available options for upgrading or downgrading. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different subscription plans available. Select the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on the corresponding option. Make sure to check the features and pricing of each plan. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. You may need to enter payment information or agree to new terms. Once confirmed, your subscription will be updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your subscription plan on Shippo. If you have any questions or encountered issues, consider reaching out to Shippo's customer support for assistance.